soy in our house.
Yeah, so that was kind of interesting. Let's talk about our weather next. That is going to get really interesting by the end of the week. So this morning, of course, we started with some pretty thick fog. Tomorrow morning, we're going to have to replace that with winds because we have a front that's going to move through while we're sleeping. Let's get right to it and show you what is going on. First of all, it's the warmest day of the week today. So we're in the mid-70s. We're not going to get anywhere near the 70s for the next 7 days because we have a cold front that moves on through tonight. So tomorrow is going to be chilly and windy, and then we've got another front that's going to be pushing in. It looks like on Thursday. So here's what's going on right now. A few clouds from Houston all the way out to the northeast. Mainly a lot of sunshine, just like we saw this weekend. And it was just a gorgeous weekend, as Andy was mentioning a while back. Upper 50s, still chilly in Katy and Tomball. But you compare that to Pearland at 70 degrees. So you've had this wide range, and we've had that really all morning long. Galveston coming in at 67 degrees. Widening out, beside this flow off to the west, it's pretty quiet for us, but you can see up here at the top of your screen. Do you see that push? That's the cold front that's going to be racing on through a little bit after midnight tonight. So let me get the timing of what's going on. So first of all, here we are at lunchtime. The front moves in while we're sleeping, and as I was showing you just a few minutes ago, we may get some rain off to the east with this. It's fairly dry for us, but of course we had the fog this morning, so there's enough moisture may squeeze out a quick little showers, but unless you're riding around after midnight tonight, by the time we get to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's well out here in the Gulf of Mexico. So tomorrow morning, instead of the fog, we'll have the gusty winds and, of course, the chilly temperature. We're not going to get out of the 50s all day long. As we move toward Wednesday, beautiful sunny skies, just absolutely gorgeous. But I want you to notice all this cloud cover. This is moisture that's out in Mexico. What's going to happen as we move toward Thursday and Friday is this moisture starts to move into southeast Texas or into the state of Texas. We've got another front that moves throughout Thursday. So we've had these very cold Arctic air masses 3 or 4 times so far this winter. The difference is with this one, we actually have some moisture coming in with it. And so that could possibly bring in some wintry precipitation, especially north of Houston, as we move toward Thursday night into Friday morning. For today, no concerns, clear skies, 70 degrees to 54 by midnight. So you see us cooling off fairly quickly with the southwesterly wind, 5 to 15 miles per hour. So we're from mid-70s to 59 tomorrow, 64 on Wednesday, and also starting again at freezing, so a cold Wednesday start. So the time to watch is Thursday and then also Friday. Friday's going to be a cold day no matter what, but you also have a 40% chance of rain, and if it comes in at the right timing, the moisture and the cold, Thursday evening into Friday, we actually have a very small chance to get some snow. Otherwise, it's a cold rain. But timing is everything, and I was just looking at the latest model that just got updated about an hour ago, and it actually had snow in Texas, but it was off to the west of us, and we're closer to Austin and San Antonio. So, again, a lot of things can happen. Timing's everything with these things, because we've seen many times have the cold without the moisture, have the moisture without the cold. So we'll see what happens as we move toward the end of the week.
A little snow.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, I think so too. That would be
Just a
great.
dusting?
Yes.
All right.
Anthony, thanks a lot.